In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively apply for jobs on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Indeed website. Go ahead and open your favorite web browser and type in www.indeed.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is where the magic begins. In the What section, you can enter the job title or keywords related to the type of position you're looking for. Let's say you're interested in marketing jobs. Just type marketing into that box. Next, in the Where section, you can enter your desired location. You can be specific, like the name of your city, or broader, such as remote if you're open to online work. Once you've filled in those two boxes, hit the search button. Now, you'll be greeted with a results page that displays various job listings. Take your time to browse through the roles that catch your eye. It might be helpful to filter the results based on criteria that matter to you, like salary range, date posted, or company rating. You can find these filter options typically on the left side of the screen. As you scroll through the job listings, be sure to pay attention to the job titles and descriptions. When you find positions that align with your skills and interests, click on the job title. This will take you to the job description page, where you can read about the responsibilities, qualifications, and other details. It's a good idea to take notes on any requirements that stand out, as this will help you tailor your application later on. Okay, once you find a job that feels like a great fit, it's time to apply. Look for the Apply Now button. This is usually prominently displayed at the top or bottom of the job description. When you click it, you may be directed to a company's application portal, or you might be able to apply directly through Indeed. If the application is through a company portal, you'll likely need to create an account or sign in if you haven't done so already. Follow the prompts and be ready to upload your resume. Make sure your resume is updated and tailored to highlight the most relevant experience for this specific job. If you haven't already prepared a cover letter, consider writing one to accompany your application as well. It's an opportunity to present your personality and explain why you're a fantastic fit for the company. Once you have your resume and cover letter ready, just follow the on-screen instructions to upload those documents. Take a moment to review everything before you hit submit. Make sure all your information is accurate and that your resume is free of any typos or errors. After submitting your application, you might want to keep track of the jobs you've applied for. Setting up a simple spreadsheet can be a good idea. Include columns for the job title, company name, date applied, and any relevant notes about follow-up dates or interview requests. And that's it. You're officially on your way to landing that job through Indeed. Remember, applying for jobs can be a numbers game, so don't get discouraged if you don't hear back immediately. Stay persistent, keep refining your application materials, and soon enough, you'll increase your chances of landing an interview. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks